one of the first things is you wouldn't want to say to a young person that there's nothing to worry about. So, if they ask you a question, you answer it honestly. You don't try and close it down, and they will know if you're not being honest. So if you just say, nothing to worry about, everything's going to be absolutely fine. Well, we will get through it and things will be fine, but it's going to be a difficult time over the next few weeks and months. And I think being honest about that is helpful. And I think making reference to, what people will be seeing around them. I mean, we're in London when we're making this podcast, and the streets are a lot quieter than they normally are. So you could offer an opening kind of question about, things are clearly not how they normally are at the moment. How are you finding it, or how are you feeling about it? Or you might be watching the TV together and see something, and that would be an opportunity to sort of open up a conversation. Or you might walk past someone in the street wearing a mask, and then you might say, well, it's interesting. They're obviously very anxious about this, but it's actually, the health experts have given us advice that wearing a mask is not necessary when you're walking around in the streets. I think another message actually that's quite helpful for young people is that there are a lot of scientists, doctors, health professionals, etc., who are working very hard to make sure that we get through this, which we will do, and that, a vaccine will be developed in time. People will get the illness and recover from it. Young people have particularly strong immune systems. So I think another thing one would want to talk about is the importance of, being healthy, getting a good night's sleep, eating healthily, and so on.